Welcome to Cajeero Dahab, Your Mother Tongue is Gold, Numbi Arts' official Black History Month programming, celebrating the beauty of mother tongues, Aboriginal languages, culture and food. Today we are here at Café Soomaal, our official Northwest partners, as they celebrate their 1 month long anniversary of being open to the public, despite the undue hardship being faced by the hospitality industry through this COVID-19 pandemic. Here at Numbi, we're mapping and highlighting local businesses and traditional foods. And as always, we're artist-led. My name is Elmi and I am resident artist, poet and storyteller at Numbi Arts. And I have the honor of hosting you for the introductory section of Arawelo Dahab, Your Mother Tongue is Gold, Numbi's official programming for Black History Month. We have a full menu lined up for you, and I will run you through the introductory section, the appetizers, or the hamunte in Somali, but you have mains, desserts, and drinks. I promise a delectable range of modern and traditional recipes brought to you by artists that you both know and love. Welcome. So these are our ingredients.
Sidatai aniga iyo geerluda bidashiradi bundra yarche berduin kutale iyo mot gut tatke damai.
So this is my interpretation of a traditional Somali starter. It started out as an anjela with garlic, and now it's got cream cheese, salmon, and citrus, mandarin and lemon and honey finish. And I'm going to have a try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Try and get every single bit in. like this. Like, I'm going to have it a little bit like tortilla. Bismillah.
So it's absolutely amazing. Thank you very much for watching. Welcome to Café Soomaal.